part one of unboxing my final and new fan to the channel. A huge box. I'm going to take it out of the box, but I'm not going to take it out of the actual box that it comes in. That's going to be part two, and that's going to be filmed a little bit later on today. So here we go. Hold on. Okay, so I got it open, and as always, Amazon informations. And here's the fan right here. I'll be right back. Let me get it out of the box. Okay, so here's part one still. And I'm not quite ready to take it out of the package. I'm going to do that on part two later on tonight when I'm filming. So this is just part one, and that's all it is. They've been around since 1953. That's good. That's basically it. Just showing you what it looks like on the box. And then we'll take it out and demonstrate and all that stuff later on tonight. This has only been part one. Please don't get rude on that. God bless you and gone.